Hello everybody, this is Biggie and I just got this really cool car. 1/14 scale. It is super cool. Really nice car for the money. Really happy with this one. If you're interested in this car, you can see this on Amazon. It is available and it's very inexpensive, and you'll really love this car for what it can do. Everybody, this has your shocks with springs. It has a wonderful ESC controller and a brushless motor. Very easy to use. Kids will love it. The remote control is a full-size remote control. And we'll get right to that here. Full size. 4 batteries are required. This has all your adjustments here for you. So you can do the speed and your steering, and you have your power on and off button. Really nice. Long distance, you can drive this far away from where you're running this. This is Iggy checking out, and check this out on Amazon. Bye-bye.